Hi guys, welcome or welcome to my channel. This is my natural hair journey. Well, a 1 year post big chop. I had extremely damaged hair from heat damage and ticks laxing my hair and improper methods of styling and conditioning or taking care of my hair. I had no idea how to do it. Ever since I was a child, I had natural hair. My hair was long, but I wanted to have straight hair. And then I decided to transition for about 2 years, and then I cut my hair month by month out, and then I started doing some deep conditioning masks. And I would love to shout out to all the natural listas out there who helped me, well, via YouTube, build a hair regimen for myself. I had so many mistakes that I made, but once I got my regimen secure, I started just doing hair masks, deep conditioning each and every time, and I was mainly doing DIY deep conditioners. I really enjoyed doing it. I would take care of my hair so well, and some of the mistakes that I made when I began to be a natural was that I was obsessed with length. I wanted to grow my hair so badly, and so I remember looking on YouTube how to grow your hair, and I saw the rice water challenge at the time, and I was using rice water way too much, and my hair became brittle, it became dry. I didn't know how to moisturize it, but luckily I found out that rice water is protein treatment. I found out about my porosity, which is low porosity hair, and I saw that wasn't good for my hair. My hair didn't need so much protein. It needed a lot of moisture. I could have protein treatments here and there, and yeah, I just developed a wonderful routine that helped me to do my hair. But right here, my hair is still damaged, and here I was making an aloe vera hair treatment. I was doing everything, guys, in the beginning when I wanted my hair to grow, to transition well, to flourish. I really wanted my hair to grow so badly, and here I tried to do a little twist out, and it kind of looked cute with a sleek bun. I did bantu knots. I did another twist out, and this was my first time when I big chopped my hair, which was October of 2021. Over here I had just blown my hair out, done a wash and go. I enjoyed doing my wash and go for a first time. This is my first attempt, and it came out really cute. I just enjoyed being a new natural at that time. And then I did a sleek back, which I absolutely loved again. A twist out. I blew my hair out again. I did a bantu knot out on stretched hair. I did like this weird hairstyle, a puff. I did a sleek bun. I did some cornrows. I wore my hair in a puff again. This is 2021 though. I did a wet bantu knot out, and it looked so cute. This is me just enjoying my fro, and yet again I did a wash and go, and look at that hang time, the length. Ooh, it was beautiful. This was earlier on in 2022, probably August of 2022. My hair was just so luscious, so good. I did my wash and go with organic flaxseed gel, so I was just like enjoying the moment. Seeing all that growth is just absolutely amazing. I really enjoyed doing that wash and go, and it took me like 30 minutes. It wasn't even that long. What I have from some new naturals is to build a hair care regimen. Be patient with your hair. Your hair is not going to grow overnight like all these videos tell you to, because I know that when you big chop, most of us have short hair and we are not loving the short hair. But just build a regimen. Be gentle with your hair. Be patient. Do some protective hairstyles. I did not include that in this video because I just wanted to show how my curls look like, and yeah, just enjoy and embrace your hair. This was a twist out that I did. I blew out my hair for a silk press, and boy was I so surprised. I saw the length and it looked so long. Obviously I trimmed my hair after that because I had quite a bit of split ends, but I had a lot of growth too. And this was my hair when I silk pressed it. It was long, luscious, beautiful, had body. Ugh, I just enjoyed it. I probably had the silk press for nearly 3 weeks, so it was a good amount of time that I had this silk press. I did many things with the silk press. I think I even curled it once at a time. Yeah, I did like bantu knot out with it, and it looked beautiful. And this was my hair in a little cute style, and this is the end. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.